Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you ask my family, nothing beats homemade pasta. But with the busy family life, I don't always have time to make it. But with this amazing KitchenAid pasta attachment, I will never buy store noodles again. This was very easy to set up. I didn't even need a rolling pin. I simply made my dough and attached the pasta press roller, set it on level 8 with its easy to use pull and turn knob at the end. I did it a couple of times, then I set it to a lower setting for the thickness I wanted my pasta, which was a 2 or a 3. Put it through a few more times and I was ready to attach my spaghetti and fettuccine cutter. I found all of these attachments very easy to use. I love that it had a little notch so that you know where to put your attachment peg. They are in there secure and strong, and even if I'm rough with it, I know it's not going to fall off. All of these attachments are made from a durable stainless steel, and you can definitely tell by the weight of them that they are not flimsy in any way. These are strong, heavy, well made, and I know they're going to last me for a really long time. I had these attachments for about a month. I've used them over and over again, and they still work like they're fresh out of the box. Personally, I like to make a lot of pasta all at once and then freeze them, and I've enjoyed using these attachments so much that my freezer is now full of pasta. So look out, my friends and family, you will be getting some pasta dishes. Although these are not safe for the dishwasher, they're very easy to clean. The set comes with a little brush and instructions on how to easily clean them. So if you're ready to make some delicious pasta dishes with homemade noodles that your family and friends are going to love, then I really think you should try these pasta attachments from GVODE. And that's my point of view.